When it comes to making premium coffee at home, Nespresso machines are some of the best devices to consider. Whether you are a casual coffee lover or a dedicated espresso aficionado, a Nespresso machine can help you craft the perfect cup of coffee without the need for a barista. With a variety of models available, each designed to cater to specific needs and preferences, finding the right one can be overwhelming. Number 1. Nespresso VertuoPlus Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. The Nespresso VertuoPlus Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi is a versatile and sleek device perfect for coffee lovers who enjoy a wide range of coffee and espresso options. This machine features a unique brewing system that allows for brewing both large coffees and small espressos. The VertuoPlus uses innovative centrifusion technology to ensure a perfect cup every time, spinning the capsule rapidly to blend the water and ground coffee. One of the standout features of the VertuoPlus is its flexibility in accommodating different cup sizes. Whether you prefer a larger mug for your morning coffee or a small, intense shot of espresso, the VertuoPlus has got you covered. Additionally, the machine heats up quickly, ensuring that you can have your coffee ready in under a minute. The design is sleek and compact, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen countertop. The water tank is adjustable and can be rotated to fit into tight spaces, making this machine ideal for smaller kitchens. With an automatic capsule ejection and a quick heat-up time, the VertuoPlus offers convenience without sacrificing quality. Key features: centrifusion technology ensures a precise brewing process by spinning the capsule at 7,000 rotations per minute for a perfect blend of water and coffee. Multiple cup sizes, compatible with different Nespresso pod sizes, allowing you to brew 5 ounces, 8 ounces, or even 14-ounce cups of coffee. Quick heating, heats up in less than 30 seconds, reducing waiting time for your coffee. Automatic capsule ejection, spent capsules are automatically ejected after brewing, making cleanup easy. Rotating water tank, adjustable water tank design for flexible kitchen placement. Number 2. Nespresso Lattissima Pro by DeLonghi. If you are a fan of creamy lattes and cappuccinos, the Nespresso Lattissima Pro by DeLonghi is the machine for you. This high-end coffee machine is designed to provide a cafe-style experience in the comfort of your home. With a built-in milk frother, the Lattissima Pro makes it easy to prepare luxurious milk-based beverages. The intuitive touchscreen control panel makes the brewing process straightforward, even for beginners. The machine offers a wide variety of coffee options, from rich espressos to velvety lattes. The milk frother is automatic and customizable, allowing you to adjust the foam texture to your liking. Designed for convenience, the Lattissima Pro has a removable milk container, which can be stored in the fridge when not in use. This machine also features a large water reservoir, making it perfect for families or households with multiple coffee drinkers. It is compatible with Nespresso Original Line capsules, ensuring that you can enjoy a wide range of coffee flavors. Key features: automatic milk frother, built-in frother for creating barista-style foam with ease. Touchscreen control, easy-to-use touchscreen interface for selecting coffee options and customizing drinks. Customizable milk texture, adjust the amount of froth for your cappuccino or latte. Large water reservoir, 44-ounce water tank, reducing the need for frequent refills. Compact design, despite its advanced features, the Lattissima Pro has a sleek and compact design that fits in most kitchens. Number 3. Nespresso Essenza Mini by Breville. For those who want a compact and affordable Nespresso machine without sacrificing quality, the Nespresso Essenza Mini by Breville is a top contender. This machine is designed to offer a high-quality espresso experience in a small footprint, making it ideal for tight kitchen spaces or small apartments. Despite its size, the Essenza Mini delivers bold and flavorful espresso shots with just the push of a button. The Espresso Mini is part of the Nespresso original line, which means it is compatible with a wide variety of Nespresso capsules. This gives you access to an extensive range of coffee blends and flavors. It heats up in just 25 seconds, allowing you to enjoy a cup of espresso without having to wait. One of the best aspects of the Espresso Mini is its simplicity. With only 2 programmable cup sizes, espresso and lungo, it's easy to use for even the most novice coffee drinkers. Its energy-saving mode automatically turns off the machine after 9 minutes of inactivity, making it an eco-friendly choice as well. Key features: compact design, the smallest Nespresso machine, perfect for small spaces. Quick heating, heats up in just 25 seconds for fast coffee preparation. Programmable cup sizes, offers 2 cup size options, espresso, 1.35 ounces, and lungo, 5 ounces. Energy-saving mode, automatically powers off after 9 minutes of inactivity. High-pressure pump, 19-bar pump system for authentic espresso with a rich creamer. Number for Nespresso Creatista Plus by Breville. The Nespresso Creatista Plus by Breville is the ideal machine for coffee lovers who want to take their coffee-making experience to the next level. This machine offers a combination of Nespresso's ease of use with Breville's advanced milk texturing technology. With the Creatista Plus, you can create a variety of milk-based beverages, including lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites, complete with perfectly textured milk. The digital display guides you through every step of the process, from brewing your coffee to frothing your milk. You can adjust the coffee volume, milk temperature, and milk froth levels, making this machine highly customizable. The steam wand is automatic, allowing for hands-free milk frothing, but still offers manual adjustments for those who want more control. The sleek stainless steel design gives the Creatista Plus a modern and elegant look, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. It's also equipped with a fast heat-up time, taking only 3 seconds to be ready to brew, making it one of the fastest Nespresso machines available. Key features: automatic steam wand, perfect for creating milk-based beverages with customized froth. Digital display, user-friendly interface for easy navigation and customization. Fast heating, heats up in just 3 seconds, reducing waiting time. Customizable settings, adjust coffee volume, milk temperature, and froth levels for personalized drinks. Sleek design, stylish stainless steel construction for durability and modern aesthetics. Number 5 Nespresso CitiZ by DeLonghi. The Nespresso CitiZ by DeLonghi is a great option for those looking for a stylish and easy-to-use coffee machine. This machine combines Nespresso's signature capsule system with a retro-modern design that looks stunning on any countertop. The CitiZ is designed to brew perfect espressos and lungos with just the push of a button, making it an ideal choice for coffee lovers who want simplicity and elegance. Despite its minimalist design, the CitiZ packs a punch with a 19-bar pressure pump that extracts all the flavor and aroma from Nespresso capsules. It also features a larger water reservoir compared to other compact models, making it suitable for those who need to brew multiple cups in one sitting. The foldable cup support allows for different cup sizes, accommodating everything from espresso cups to larger mugs. Additionally, the CitiZ comes with an energy-saving feature that automatically powers off the machine after 9 minutes of inactivity, ensuring that you save energy without compromising performance. Key features: 19-bar pressure pump, high-pressure pump for rich espresso extraction. Large water reservoir, 34-ounce water tank, ideal for brewing multiple cups. Foldable cup support, adjustable cup support for different cup sizes. Energy-saving mode, automatically powers off after 9 minutes of inactivity. Retro modern design, stylish, compact design that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Conclusion: choosing the right Nespresso machine can dramatically enhance your home coffee experience. Whether you prioritize milk frothing, compact design, or fast heating times, there is a Nespresso machine tailored to your preferences. The Nespresso VertuoPlus offers versatility, while the Lattissima Pro focuses on milk-based beverages. The Espresso Mini and CitiZ are ideal for compact spaces, and the Creatista Plus provides a luxurious, customizable experience. No matter which you choose, each of these machines will deliver high-quality coffee in the comfort of your own home.